Hi everyone! Welcome to my vlog. It's me, Justin Nadal. Today I'm going to do making a loot bag for my son on his upcoming birthday. So, kumusta mo? Been a while. So join with me and let's have fun. So I got this loot bag here. It needs to be like 31. Got lots of lollies. Oh my god. Grabe siya. Sa Pilipinas, we don't have like this, no? But now, for the sake of our child, we need to make them happy. So there you go. This and this. So let's do it. We're gonna do gamay nga bag, loot bag, and you have this one or the lollies. This is sour flavor. Muna akong ganahan. Pero akong ibutang kani. It's a powder one. Tapos isa ka lolly, which is the dairy one, the Cadbury, and the Kit Kat one. And last is the Skittles. So na siya? Skittles. So ma-order na siya. So this is it. You have a loot bag. Diba? Happy ng mga bata! Taran! So, my son, Colton, will be bringing this loot bag karong Thursday on his birthday kay iyang birthday is kuan man Thursday, school days. So, and he wanted to bring something for his classmates and all of that. Para sa po siya yung teacher. By the way, 30 sila kabuok. 30 kabuok sila ka-student. Agaray! Anyway, maura to. I'll do the rest of the camera. Balik ako. And also, naapo dahil siya ipang sale sa loot bag. So again, I'll do it. I'll do it manually. So I made in total of 32 loot bags in case, you know. So we have Cadbury, we got the Kit Kat. So in total there is 5, and then just hold it and then like that. Tapos butangan na natog sim para hindi ma-open ni Colton. Kasi iyan yung isnipon. Taran! So, ready na. Napaday sobra. Ako, ano ni? Gumaw. Sit down here. Have a sit. Anyway, that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and comment if you like this video. We'll see you next time. Have a good day.
Bye guys.
Bye bye.
Have a good day.